Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. So I'm going to do a review on this new product that I got from Rona, which I'm sure you can get from other home hardware like Home Depot or something. So this is called a quick support rod system, and you can use it at various places. So we are going to change our fan on top of our gas stove. So it is quite heavy. So we bought these 2 extra hands that we're gonna put underneath our cabinets. So it will help us give the support to the range hood fan that we're trying to install. So let me show you how it works and how this is gonna help you out. So thank you for watching, and keep watching till the end, okay? So guys, as I mentioned, these are the support poles. So they are called support, so jack support rods. So I and my husband installed this new hood range, so like a fan. So we changed it, so when you are not strong enough to carry these heavy things, you can use these jacks, so quick support cabinet jacks. So we got 2 of them. You put it underneath so it gives you support while you're working. So for example, we have just installed it. So I have these jacks so nothing is gonna fall on me. So I am installing these filters. Don't have to worry about it at all. So I'm going to put it here easily, and then I will put it actually this, yeah. This is a new fan. I'm trying to figure it out. So there you go. See, 1 filter is done. You don't have to worry about anything falling. So we installed the whole thing, put all the screwdrivers, everything. It's very hard to do, but you know, with this extra support we have, we didn't have to carry the load, and it's very easy. The one I have is 4 feet, but you're not supposed to, but I used a little bit of stool to make the height bigger. And I got this from Rona. You might have it at Home Depot too. So see, it's installed. So I'm removing the jacks. So my 1 jack is done. So these are like under the cabinet you can use for working. Then I'm going to install my other filter. And here you go. Nicely. So I don't have to worry because I have the support right here. So here you go. I'm going to take it out because now it's fully installed, and I have these 2 as extra helping hands. So if you need some extra support working with heavy stuff, I highly recommend you get these, and they become smaller or taller depending on what you need. So it is very useful. So thank you for watching, and this is my tip for you today. If you need extra supporting hands, go get these from your home hardware wherever you can shop. Thanks for watching and sharing my videos with your family and friends.